So this is the Nobara website. So there are different versions you can download here. There's also GNOME, HIDI. There's also for NVIDIA. And I'm going to be installing this in a virtual machine. I'll click next. This is the location. This is the keyboard settings and layout. Here I have to create a user account. I'll type a password. I'll check this box, reuse user password as root password. So I'm going to leave these unchecked. Log in automatically without asking for password and validate passwords quality. This is the partition section. I'll choose this option, erase this. I'll select swap to file. So on the file system, I'll choose BTRFS. On the bootloader location, I'm going to leave it as default. So this is a summary of the settings. I'll click install. Okay, so installation is done. I'm going to restart. So on the lower left side, there's an option for virtual keyboard. So this is the welcome page. So there's first steps, recommended additions, and there's optional steps. So it's prompting me to do a system update. I'm going to select yes. So this is the system update app, and there's system updates, Flatpak user updates, and Flatpak system updates. So I'll open the application launcher. So this is favorites, all applications. This is development, education. This is games, graphic. This is internet, multimedia, office. This is settings, system, utilities, lost and found, and help. So I'll open the Govali app. So this is an open source graphical user interface that helps manage Vulkan and OpenGL overlays for Linux gaming. This is the Fedora media writer. I'll open the Firelight app. So this is the journal browser. This is the KDebug settings. This is came out, and this is text-to-speech configuration. I'll open the systems monitor. So I'll right-click the desktop. I'll select desktop on wallpaper, and these are some of the wallpapers. So I'll open About. So this is KDE Plasma, and the version is 6.2.4. So on the panel, I'll open System Settings. So these are some of the settings. So on System Settings, on the Apps and Windows, I'll select Windows Management. I'll select Virtual Desktops, and I'm going to add 5 more virtual desktops. I'll click Apply, and it's here on the panel. I'll select Desktop Effects, and I'll scroll all the way down until I see Windows Management, and this is Cube. I'm going to enable the Cube feature. So on my keyboard, I'm going to hold the Windows key and the C key. So this is the Cube feature. And to get out of this, just hit the Escape key. This is the Dolphin File Manager. So on the lower right side, these are some of the icons. Notifications. This is the network icon. This is disk and devices. This is the brightness and color adjustment. I'll click on the volume icon. This is the sound settings. And this is the clipboard contents. So I'll right-click the panel. I'll click on Add or Manage Widgets. I'll right-click the panel again and select Show Panel Configuration. And this is the panel settings. I can change the position of the panel. Right now it's at the bottom. I'll move it to the left. I'm going to leave it at the bottom. So this is a new feature, Nobara Tweak Tool. You can enable or disable any one of these. For example, you can enable AMD GPU power and clock controls. I'll open the driver manager. So this is the Nobara driver manager. So I'll open a terminal app. I'll check the kernel version. I'll type uname R. So the kernel version is 6.12. So I'll install VLC Media Player. So VLC Media Player is not installed, so I'll install it. I'll type DNF install VLC. So I'll log in as a super user. I'll type SU. So it's complete. So it should be installed. It should be in multimedia, and it's here. So this was just a quick overview of the Nobara 41. So if you want more information, you can go to Nobara website. So I want to thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.